What equipment and supplies do you need to start a successful and professional bird breeding setup? Hello, everyone. Hope you're having a great day. To start bird breeding, there are a few key points you need to follow, and I'm going to briefly walk you through them. 1. Perches, bird stands. The first thing your bird needs is a proper perch. Here are some tips for choosing the right one. The perch should be stable, no shaking or slipping. There should be enough perches so that all your birds can sit comfortably without crowding. The surface of the perch should have slight ridges or textures to prevent your bird from slipping. It should be washable. If not, it's better to replace it regularly because it can become a hotspot for germs. Benefits of a good perch: helps increase the chance and ease of mating, prevents the buildup of dirt, and reduces disease risk. 2. Nesting box. A proper nesting box is the next essential item. It should be spacious enough to accommodate both the parent birds and their chicks after hatching. Airflow is critical. The nest should allow air circulation to avoid trapped moisture and unpleasant odors, especially during breeding season when droppings increase. The box should not be open from all sides. A secure single-entry nest helps the bird feel safe. For cage breeding, this naturally creates a sense of safety, but if you're breeding in colonies, it's even more important to ensure privacy. Tip: closed, washable nests are highly recommended. After each breeding cycle, you should be able to clean and disinfect the nest completely. If you've enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button. 3. Nesting materials. Next is what to use to fill the nesting box. The material matters a lot. Unfortunately, some breeders use poor quality fibers, which can wrap around the bird's feet, causing inflammation or even injury. The best materials: cottonseed fluff and jute string. Cottonseed fluff is available in most pet shops. Jute fibers, burlap threads, can be found with a little searching in pet stores or online pages that sells bird supplies. Important tips: don't use fibers that are too long. They can tangle around feet. Avoid very thin fibers. Use light, natural materials that birds can easily carry and arrange. Dried grass stems or hay are also great, as they create a more natural feel for the birds. 4. Feeders and water dispensers. I gave a complete explanation about this in the previous video, because we don't want this one to get too long. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful. If you found us through search or explore, make sure to subscribe. Share our channel with your friends and fellow breeders so they can benefit too. Wishing you all health and success.